Hello, physical education students. We are in week 4, April 20th. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I know I am recovering from some sickness, so sorry if my voice is a little bit hoarse and if I cough in between, but I'm actually feeling a lot better. Hope you guys are all doing good and feeling healthy also. Week 4, we're going to get into muscular strength. With muscular strength, some key things for us to know. Muscular strength is the ability of a muscle or a group of muscles to exert force for a brief period of time. Strength in different muscles can be measured by having a person perform weightlifting exercises and determining the maximum amount of weight the person can lift, or a person's strength can be expressed as an absolute strength, so the actual weight lifted, or as relative strength, the weight lifted divided by the person's body weight. Some benefits of muscular strength and endurance. Of course, we want to have strength for everyday tasks, moving furniture, lifting objects at home, carrying your backpack up 3 flights of stairs, participation in everyday activities, improve physical performance in sport and physical activity, protection from injury, increased metabolic rate, maintenance of bone muscle density, and of course, improved body image. So those are all great benefits of muscular strength. With our muscular strength activities, what we're going to be doing is 2 or 3 20-minute sessions, about 20-minute sessions, could be a little bit longer each week, that include exercises for all of our major muscle groups. When we're lifting, we're going to focus on upper body this week, and then next time that we lift, we'll go to lower body and then alternate in between. Lifting weights is one of the most important and most effective ways to increase your strength. If you're sedentary, that means if you don't move very much, as little as 2 workouts per week can be beneficial for you. So the more you move, the better it's going to be for your workout. Like I said, with our workout that we're going to be working on today and Monday, it's going to be an upper body workout and core. So we've got some abdominals in there. Your regular warm up, jumping jacks, high knees, reps, 10 reps, squats, and then arm circles to get your body warm. And then you can do each exercise be completed by doing 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. So you're going to have at least, probably you're going to have around 30 reps for everything. Okay, so 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. You get strength gains when you push your intensity up. So you've got to push yourself. Don't just do what's easy. Make it challenging for yourself. If it's not challenging, just doing your body weight, try to find something that's going to add resistance. It could be a water jug, it could be a backpack, it could be canned goods in your house, whatever it is, but try to find something to have resistance, something that's going to weigh heavier than just your body weight. Do 3 sets, 6 to 10 reps. We are building strength. Go 60 to 90 seconds in between those sets. The activity that we're doing is upper body, so it's arm raises. And again, if you're not sure where to go on arm raises, you can click on that box and that will take you to the Derby workout. It'll show you that arm raise, what it looks like. Again, these are done with nothing but body weight, but if you want to grab something in your hands, like if you want to grab soup cans, if you want to grab something heavy, go ahead and grab that to help raise your arms. Bicep curls, bent over rows, push-ups, reverse crunches, and plank rolls. That's going to be your workout for Monday, April 20th. Hope everybody's doing good. Don't forget to answer your reflection questions in Google Classroom afterwards, and we will see you again on Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye.